bigay din sa atin. Time after time, Jessica Mabuy. Hello there, Jesseline Hayashi. Okay, you're shouting out to your friend Jessica. Nakaka-in-love. Parang maghahanap na ako ng papi. Ayan, ang sarap at Loida. Isang papi lang. After a few months, madadagdagan na. 2, 3, 4, 5 hanggang aabot na ng 10.
Ibang papi na hanap niya. Fafi.
Fafi at Loida. Okay. We go for time after time. Thanks to all generous donors. Okay, o nga naman nakatanggap kami na pagising namin. Nako, nahulog kami sa kama dahil sa laki. Okay, ang taray naman ng pabuta sa gilid. Hello, Baby Chinita, ang taba niya. Okay, wala nang ibang babasahin. Hello, Arwin Batino. Okay, wala na bang ibang shout out? Okay, and okay. We go next. We go right to our second request. This is time after time.
Lying in my bed, heat the clock, thinking I think of you. Caught up in circles, confusion is nothing new. Flashback, warm nights, almost left behind. Suitcases of memories. Time after sometimes you bitched on me. I'm walking too far ahead. You're calling to me. I will hear what you say. Then you say, go slow. I fall behind. The second hand I must. You lost, you can look, and you will find it. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. If you lost, you can look, and you will find it. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. So after my bitch of face and